what's poppin' everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. And the other day I shot a video sharing a story about how we shook down a customer who was non-paying, playing some games with us, and I got a lot of feedback from that. Basically, Southern Boys, Gold Coast, Smart Floors, I think a couple other people. If I forgot, I apologize. But they all touched base on the closing of the video, which made me realize that that's a content piece within itself. So here's a video sharing exactly how to get the type of jobs you want, profit in the manner that you want to, so you're happy, you love your job, you make the most that you can at what you're best at, and you're fulfilled every single day in the flooring game. So this is strictly for carpet related business. We're not going to talk about vinyl plank installers. This is an entirely different strategy, in my opinion, if we're talking hard surfaces. So for all you carpet guys out there that hate your jobs, or you're trying to make more money, or you're looking for that happy day every single day, here's the breakdown on what you need to focus at. Now, without a doubt, the riches are in the niches is the ongoing saying, and within the flooring industry, there's niches within the carpet game. And I'm gonna break it down to 4 segments, and one of the 4, whatever segment you choose, this has to be part of your cash flow. Without a doubt, it's the easiest, it's a good money maker, it's a great cash supplement. You can't go wrong with it. So number 4, I'm gonna say, no matter what you choose, you need to do this as well. But here's the breakdown. So there's the high volume. I don't like to be bothered by clients. I love doing apartment work or commercial buildings. Great model. I started and made a killing at this early on in my career. You have to be fast. You have to be able to manage guys to make a ton of money, but nobody bugs you. You come in, you do your thing, you knock it out. And if you want to do that day in and day out, then that's the right thing for you. What I suggest is you get in with the commercial companies. Don't go out and try and sell these jobs yourself unless you got millions of dollars in the bank, because you have to float anywhere from 200 to 500 grand at a time. And most of us just don't have that kind of scratch laying around or the credit lines to back it up, which is going to make you a miserable, stressed individual. In these particular cases, even though I preach don't mess with the stores, do your own thing, if you want to do apartment work and big commercial buildings, massive glue down to make your money that way, and you're happy doing that, find the big commercial companies, get your foot in the door, let them know you're the baddest dude in the game, you're the fastest, you get things done, you make it happen, you're their go-to guy or gal, and you're their person from here on out. This way you're doing the big jobs that you want to do every day. You don't have to report to a client. That some people, that just stresses them out straight up. And if you're not into that, go for this type of work, get the volume jobs, run the trucks, run the crews, make your money that way. And that is my strategy for doing that. Just target the commercial stores to go ahead and get the business. The next, my personal favorite, and I think is the best way for me, is selling to retail clients in the middle class and upper middle class neighborhoods. Now, I broke it down in the video before. Clients like these, we do a shop at home service for. This is the only way I operate these days. You hit a nice margin on, and when you cater to clients in this income bracket, they all have 3 grand to 5 grand just to blow. They don't bat an eye at it, and they like swapping out their carpet every 5 to 7 years, no matter what they buy, because their family's on the go. They destroy the carpet no matter how good they get it, and they just keep swapping it out, and they just want someone to come in, get it done fast, efficiently, and they have tons of friends on social media that they will put your name to. A couple different ways to go about this. One is to, if you're completely new and getting started out at this, get a hold of some samples and a wholesaler that'll supply you with the product so you can sell it and make a commission on your sale on top of your installation rate. So once we have this in place, we need to get in front of the customers. And I always preach the easiest way to get in front of clients, is, even if you suck at marketing, is to get in with real estate agents. Everybody's a real estate agent, first off. So I know you know a real estate agent in your marketplace. Find someone who's catering to these communities, butter them up, send them some gift cards, whatever it takes to get their attention. Then get their referrals. And then once you're dialed into the community and you're the go-to guy or gal, your referral basis will climb. So that is basically my model. I cater to real estate agents all day long. Everybody's my best friend in that world. I always send out, gift cards, things like that, tickets to sporting events. That way they're always thinking about me. I always get their leads. I get to pick and choose my jobs. My clients have disposable income that I make great commissions on. I save them money if they're shopping me to the retail joints, the big name stores. I'm still much less than them, so it's a no-brainer to go with me. They get the result they're after. I hit the numbers I'm after. It's a win-win-win. That's my model. I love my model. If it's for you, I suggest you start connecting with real estate agents and make it happen. Next, high-end guys. I don't know how you do it. My hat's off to you. But if you love working with that high-end carpet and a 100-yard job, takes you 4 days to do because it's a sick pattern match and there's all sorts of mayhem going on, you just love the art of the game, go for it. You will hit crazy numbers if you're selling these jobs. I would do the same approach that I do, but you need to get into that high-end community. I honestly wouldn't do it for stores because I think they take too much of the cake. And let's be real, I don't care how good you are, that high-end type carpets, there's just always room for errors. And the first thing stores will do is tax you before they even hear the story. So I would say, once again, get tiled in with the either direct to the source or get with the wholesalers and get the samples. Sell your own jobs, your margins will be so much bigger in that. But once again, it's one of those things you can't just slop and pop the carpet. You have to spend a lot of time in it. But clearly there's guys and gals out there that love doing that. So find the real estate agents that have the high-end listings for whatever your area. In every neighborhood, that's going to be different. Me, a high-end listing in the Cleveland area is anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million as a high-end listing where I live. Some of you on the West Coast, that's the gutter, you know what I'm saying? But whatever your high-end properties are, find out who the agents are that are listing these. Same exact approach. Send them tickets to games. Send them gift cards for dinner so they can take their clients out. You're the first one on their mind. Dial into that community and then start serving them up. So like I said, that one definitely isn't for me. That's like the most stressful thing in the world. I would do option A or B, my own, or go back to doing commercial work before I ever got to that. But like I said, some people love it and that's awesome. Finally, the fourth segment of this, which no matter what you choose, you have to do this as well. You don't have to do anything, but if you're smart and you like cash every day, add this in, is offering repairs and restretching. Without a doubt, the easiest money in the game. Nobody markets for this. No store will touch this because the margins aren't there for them. And most crackhead carpet guys just aren't going to take the time to go out and sell these types of services. You and I both know you can go out to any house. You could patch the carpet under 30 minutes. Most of them take 15, 20 minutes to do. You spend more time driving to and from the job site. $75 to $100 every single time. Boom, boom, boom. Bigger ones, upwards of $200 for restretching, most of a house, or even $200 to $300 if it's a big house to restretch everything. Repairs are without a doubt the easiest money, and the only reason I'm not making it its own sector and say just be the repair guy is I think for most people out there, you want to be making $300 to $500 a day at least. If you want to make $300 to $500 a day, it can be hard to do that with just repair work alone. Obviously, if you're doing any of the other ones, you'll hit your $300 to $500 to $700 right off the rip. And then if you did 2 repairs at the end of the day, if you're a grinder, 2 or 3 at the end of the day, and you could pick up an extra $300 to $500, $600, $700, depending upon how big it is, that's where your income really jumps up for minimal effort. So whatever you're into, these are my tips of the day. I appreciate everybody tuning in. If you have any questions about marketing or selling, anything like that related to the flooring industry, comment below. I'll create a follow-up video answering it just for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next.